Hi guys, hi, it's Josh here, also known as Yoshi Bear J. I'm a digital marketer, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you another strategy that I've actually just discovered that is helping me get profitable sales using Facebook ads. So in the video, I'm going to be showing you step by step how to do it. Guys, it's been working so good for me, so I wanted to share it with you guys. But as you know, I don't waste no time. Let's get into the video. Hey guys, so I'm gonna show you a Facebook ad strategy that I've been using that's actually been working pretty well for me. So I wanted to share it with you guys, right? And this is one of the accounts that I'm doing it on. And as you can see right here, in December, only 2K. Only 2K was spent, $2,540.70. That's it. 45 purchases. So these are expensive products. These aren't cheap products, right? For this to work, this works on expensive products, right? I just wanted to make you aware of that. 31 days, only $2,500 has been spent. To make back 34,000. $34,000, right? So in this video, I'm going to show you what I did in this account that I see working pretty well. And I'm going to share it with you guys so you guys can also do it as well. Because as we know with Facebook ads, it's really about doing different strategies and finding the strategy that works for your business, works for your account, and just ride it out till the wheels fall off, literally, until it stops working. So I'm going to show you. So this is all you got to do. So as you can see, I'm in the trusted Facebook ads manager. So all you got to do is this. You click create. Then you go to sales. This works majority for e-commerce products. Because the products I was selling, very expensive products. It's not a cheap product. It's not like a $20, $10. It's a very expensive product. Anything expensive is anything over $100. Yeah. Very expensive. So I just click on sales. Then I click continue. Then you're going to see these two options right here. Then you're going to select a manual sales campaign and then you just click continue. Now we are at the campaign level, right? And all we got to do is scroll down, can turn this on, can put your budget here, whichever. Here it says £20, which is fine. Yeah. Then once you've done that, you then click next. Bear in mind, you ain't got to do nothing else. You ain't got to do nothing special here. The only thing here really you just got to do is just turn this on. That's really all you got to do. Then you want to click next. Then here you can choose website and shop, website. I tend to choose website. So you just make sure that the performance goal is maximum number of conversions, as you can see down here. Then once you've chosen your pixel and all that good stuff, you want to make sure the conversion event is purchase, because the algorithm optimizes to show your ads to people who are more likely to purchase. Bear that in mind for this strategy that I'm about to show you. It's going to show your ads to people who are more likely to purchase. But the thing about people that like to purchase things, what do they have? Most of the time, they have questions. They may have questions. Yeah, the ad can answer the question. It can say, hey, are you worried about the size of this jacket? We have the jacket in small, large, medium, extra large, etc., right? So the ad can do that itself, right? But I'm going to show you another way you can reassure the customer that may have those questions so they feel more confident to buy. So select purchase. Then you scroll down and then you want to click to switch to original audience options right here. Then click use original audience. Once you have done that, here you can choose the age, the gender, the interest and all that. I have plenty of videos covering the different interests depending on what products or service that you're selling. So once you've done that, the next stage is you want to leave all this, the advantage placements, you want to leave it the same, right? Especially for this strategy. Then you want to click next right here. Now, as you can see, we're in the ad level. So you choose your Facebook page, your Instagram page, all that good stuff. Then you can select manual upload. You can select single image, whichever one that you want to do. And then you want to keep this turned on, right? Because it says your ads can appear alongside other ads in the same ad unit to help people discover products and services from businesses that are personalized to them. Your ad creative may be resized or cropped to fit the ad unit. So bear in mind, it says here to help people discover products and services from businesses that are personalized to them. Just like in the ad set level, we chose the purchase optimization event. We're showing our ads to people who are more likely to buy. And on top of that, by keeping this ticked, we're showing them products that they're going to be more likely to be interested in. Once you've done that, you just scroll down. You can put in the image, video, whichever you want to do, and scroll down some more. Then you're going to come here where it says destination. Destination is basically when they click the ad, where are they going to? Are they going to your website? Are they going to the shop? Where are they going to? So you want to put the link to your website here. This is important. You want to put the link to your website here, but then it's going to say none right here. Then you want to select messaging app. You notice how this link is still here. And by adding messaging app, by ticking this option, you're giving your audience 2 ways to buy from you rather than the one. But most people make the mistake of just having just a website. This is especially for products that are expensive, not for cheap, affordable products. This is for products that are expensive where the customer has to think a little bit more. They have to consider things. They're going to have questions. It's a bit like buying a car or buying a house. You're not just going to buy it off just like that. You're going to think about it. You're going to be like, oh, how many bedrooms does it have? Or what area is it in? There's going to be all these questions that are going to be going through your mind. So by adding this in, now they are going to be given another option. So it's going to be a browser add-on. So as you can see here, people will see your website when they tap your ad. You can add an additional contact method in the browser to help people connect with you. So when people click on your website, they'll also be given another option to message you. This is why you want to add this in, because people who are ready to buy, they may have a couple questions that are not shown in your ad. And right there, you can say, if they say, oh, I'm not sure, do you have this in a size XXL? Someone could just be like, yeah, we have this in a size XXL. Link to the site, and they're more likely to purchase. So you've got an audience of potential buyers who are more likely to buy. Then the algorithm is optimized in a way where it's showing ads to people that are in the mindset to discover new products and services. And now you've got another layer where you give them the option to ask any questions, so they feel connected and feel that your business is real before they actually buy from you. Because guys, the higher the price point, the more involved the decision making. The lower the price point, the less involved the decision making. When you're going to the store to buy chewing gum, you're not thinking about anything. You're just picking it up. You're just like, all right, yeah, whatever, and you buy it. If you're about to buy a house, you're thinking a whole bunch of stuff. So by adding this makes such a big difference in getting that conversion. It makes such a big difference in getting that conversion, because a lot of people are impatient. If they feel unsure about something, they're just going to leave. Guys, it's the internet. It's the internet. People are going to leave and find someone else to buy from. right? So make sure you add this in as another option and test it out. I've been doing it and it's been working perfectly for me. I only spent 2K. As shown to you earlier in the video, I only spent over $2,000. I made $34,000 back. That is so profitable just by simply doing this and giving the customer another way to contact us so we can reassure them, help them feel more confident before they buy. Okay? So guys, please do this in your businesses. For those of you who need further help, any consultations, who need that one-to-one help, click the link in my description. I'm on Fiverr. You can book a one-on-one with me, actually me, and I can look through your Facebook ads and see how we can improve them to help you get more results. You can check my reviews and all that good stuff. I really care about getting my clients and getting businesses results. That's what I really care about. So click the link in the description. I've also got more resources as well there if you want to check those out as well. But as usual, I'll be back with more marketing tips and tricks to help you guys. Take care.